In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a ticketing system in Asana. This setup is designed to streamline your workflow and make task management not only more organized, but also more efficient. So let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your Asana account. Once you've signed in, you're all set to embark on this setup journey. Now we want to create a ticketing system, which will serve as the backbone for organizing your tasks systematically. Begin by looking for the plus icon on your Asana dashboard. This little icon is your gateway to creating not just new projects, but also tasks and a lot more. A simple click on this plus icon will reveal a menu teeming with options. From these, go ahead and select New Project. This brand new project is where your ticketing system will take shape. You're offered two routes when it comes to creating a new project. You can either start with a blank slate or capitalize on the convenience of a pre-made template. Templates are a fantastic way to save time as they provide a structured base that still allows plenty of room for personalization. In today's tutorial, we'll be taking the efficient route, so choose Use a Template. Once that's set, you'll enter the Inspiration Gallery. This is Asana's treasure trove of templates curated for varying project types. To zero in on the right template, click Find Inspiration. Asana, being very intuitive, has a specialized template made specifically for ticketing systems. Go ahead and select the ticketing option. Upon choosing this ticketing template, an overview of its features will be presented to you. It's specifically designed to handle ticket-based workflows effectively, providing clarity and ease when it comes to tracking and organizing tasks. Once you're satisfied with what you see, click Use Template to apply it to your project. Asana will then work its magic, populating your workspace with preset tasks, categories, and an outlined framework that suits your needs. With everything in place, the final step is to click Create Project to confirm everything. At this moment, your ticketing system is live and ready in your project view. Now you're free to start adjusting and customizing tasks and categories to align perfectly with your specific workflow. There you have it. You've successfully set up a ticketing system in Asana. Thanks to this setup, managing tasks, as well as keeping your team on track, becomes significantly easier and more intuitive. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in seamlessly integrating a ticketing system into your Asana experience. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.